Hello everybody. Right, I'm not going to show this my address, but this is from Paul from Australia. So thanks Paul. What we got? Let's have a look. Right. The koala bear. Typical Australia. Hi Paul, enjoy these coins. Love the videos from Paul in Australia. Wow, I love the penny. What's that one? New Zealand. Let's do one of these, shall we? I quite like the look of the New Zealand one, Paul. So I'm going to do the Australian one. Oh yeah. I love it, man. I'll have to get some more of these. This is rather gorgeous. So this is 1943. So what happened in 1943? The significant events included the end of the Battle of Stalingrad, where Soviet forces defeated the German army, and the Allied invasion of Sicily, making a crucial turning point in World War II. Additionally, the year saw the establishment of the United States Women's Army Corps and various race riots in the US. Well, nothing new there then. There you go. Right, so what we're going to do, first of all, we have to punch a hole in it. Yesterday was a big day in Finland, midnight summer. Everybody gets absolutely slaughtered. They go to their summer cottages and the motorways are packed, and you know, like it is in England on bank holidays and stuff. I want to use the middle of the road punch because I want to try and keep as much detail as I can. From now on until the winter, I'm only going to do 4 videos a week because I'm on the market now, and you know, I get up at 4:30. I don't get home till 6. So I'm just going to do a video Saturday, Sunday, and I think it's Tuesday and Thursday. As soon as the winter comes along, I'll be back to 7 a day. I'd like to thank my latest subscribers for hitting that button for me. What we got? I love this coin. Hey Paul, send me another 50 of these, man. Look at that. And that's sexy. New Zealand. I know you're in Australia, but I love this one. Right, let's show it a bit of affection with a bit of warmth. Wow, what's going on there? Yeah, I just can't do it every day. I know I do. I try and make videos, quite a few videos in one go. I'm shagged out, you know, totally shagged out. Because then I get home, then I have to do the dinner. I have to cook the dinner. We don't have much though, you know. And yeah. God, I ain't got no bloody water, I don't think. Here's my cup, run it over. Here it is. Right, I'm going to stop the video and get some water. Okay, Mr. Wonderful just isn't organised. Water. Cooled down by itself. Right. The fire scale's just falling off on this one. So, we need my doming block. Glass everywhere. I was making fish yesterday. Fish, do you want to see one? These are fish pendants. Made of dichroic glass. Little eye on there. There you go. Right. Probably not interested in that, but I'll show you anyway. So yeah, it's going to have to be, this is going to be sunny side up on the ring. So this goes face down. It matters which one of these you use. It's exciting, isn't it? I can tell you're on the edge of your seats. Yeah, yesterday is the big, big day in Finland. Loads of bonfires along the coast and okie dokie. Now we just want to find one of these 17-degree folding dice. Oh, look at that. Let's put a bit of Luby Lou in it. There she is. There's Luby Lou. Just helps things slide around a bit easier, you know what I mean? Of course you do. Right. I think that is pretty damn good. I hope this doesn't split. I don't have another one. Yeah, I'll have to get some more of these. I love it. Well, I liked all them coins. They're all pretty damn sexy. Thank you, Paul. Hope your wife had a good day. Oh, today's Saturday. I hope she's having a good day in the market today, selling her rings that you make. Right. Maybe a touch more. Yeah, for some reason everybody's buying fish pendants on the market, so I made about 30 of them yesterday. My kiln is full of fish. Right, let's get a nice bit of kitchen roll. Stop the expense, let's have a new piece, shall we? And if you're new to the channel, there he is. This is Spike. Actually stretches your ring. Right, here we go. Please don't break. It's getting very, very soft though. So far, so good. The bow is still in it though. This is one coin I don't want to break because I think it's gorgeous. Because you're gorgeous. I'll do anything to you. Right. I think that's not looking too clever there. Let's get out. I think that's not too bad. But I can't see any cracks there now, can you? Bit for me, bit for you, bit for the leggy blonde upstairs. Right, let's warm it up again. I mean, it is very soft, but I like it a lot. Lots and lots and lots and lots and lots. Yeah, I'm not working tomorrow, but I'm working Monday. Right, let's go back over to Spike and try and get this puppy all the way down. Oh, it's so soft. It's like my heart, very soft and loving. It's still got a bloody bow in it, but I can't see any cracks forming, so let's go a bit further. I'll tell you, I'll get to the end and it'll crack. Oh, something just happened. No, we're still good. We're getting there. So's Christmas. I know. You lot are so impatient. And no Swedish rat beer. Focus. There you go. That's just cone shape now. I think it's got a little bit of a bow in it. Let's give it another tweak then. Let's push our luck to the limit. Right, what we got? Let's have a little look. Yeah, that ain't too bad. So you got all the detail in there. Right, let's turn it into a ring, shall we? These are reduction dice. This is the arse end of Spike. Oh, I think there's a bit too much sticking up there. There's not much sticking up there, just a little bit. Make sure it's square. We'll give it a 1-2. 1-2. Something happened. It still needs a touch more. There might be a little bit left in there. Nice chatting to you again, Paul, the other day. Your bloody phone bill must cost a fortune from Australia. I think we need to go to the next one. There you go. Them walls are perfectly straight. Unless you hold it like that, or like that. Yeah, that's pretty sexy. Okie dokie. Has it got a lip inside? Yes, it has. Quite a big lip. It's got a big lip. There you go. I'm going to cut that out. Otherwise it's uncomfortable to wear. Yeah, sorry about only 4 videos a week, but I just can't do it. I'm getting old, you know. My girlfriend says, no, you're not getting old, you are old. I love her. I just left her lying there. I've got a special tool for holding these coins, but I just don't like it. Yeah, that's good. Right, where is he? Where's Dave the Dremel? Here he is. So, we're going to take out Felton John, and we want to put in, wait a minute, got these big old ones here. This will do the job. Right, that's pretty good. Look what I got. And I will put the lid back on this every time now, because I'm terrible with that sort of thing. Right, I should have put in Felton first, shouldn't I? Let's put the lid on. There you go. I'm a good boy today. Right. Let's get this looking sexy, shall we? Oh yeah, this is going to come up rather nice. Getting a bit warm. Ouchie, ouchie, ouchie. Ouch. Let's give it a minute. So yeah, if you're not subscribed, how about it? There's no obligation, it's free, and it helps me out no end. If you recently subscribed, thank you so much. I really do appreciate it. More than you'll ever know. I think that will do. Right. So today's Saturday, so there's a video today. There'll be a video tomorrow. But 4 videos a week should keep you going for, you know, a couple more months, hopefully. Back in the end of September, I'll be doing one a day, back to normality. But what's normal? I'm normal. And my hell is like, thank God I'm not bloody normal. What's normal? I bought some more cloths yesterday as well. Great big bag of them. 2 kilos of these microfiber cloths, €90. Right there, what we got? Ain't that sexy? Look at that. I love it. And there you got all the detail on the inside. That's why I use a kitchen roll. What size did we get in the end? This is my Yankee Doodle. This is a size. Oh, look at that, it's nearly size 13. 12 3/4. It fits this finger perfectly. So thanks for your support, thanks for your likes, thanks for not liking, and thanks for being you. Hope you all have a great day, a great weekend, and God willing, if we're all still here tomorrow, there'll be another video. So bye bye.